How to add music to your site in Squarespace. So in order to add the music, what you can do is you first need to head over to the website that you wish to add it with. Now from in there, just scroll to any blank part of the page that you want to add it. Click on the add block onto that section, click onto the search, and you can proceed to search for music or audio. So you can search in here for that. Here is audio. Just drag and drop it right here. Let's drop it right there. Click onto this pencil icon in order to edit it. And from in there, you can upload a file that you wish to use. Let's click onto this right here and let's add in here an audio file. The audio track will be added right here. You can just input right here the title. And then after you have done that, you can also input right here the artist. And you can also choose external file upload, or if you want, you can also choose this one. You also have the option to choose podcasting right here. Enable the title, subtitle, and summary. And you can also change how it's designed. You can choose classic, or you can also choose minimal option. You can also show the download link right here in order to share it with people. So that's how you add music to your site in Squarespace. Hope we helped.